Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Fairy targeter in Grow a Garden new Fairy update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got this Fairy targeter after making a wish on the fountain power, and I'm going to show you how we can use it. First of all, you can find some plants that you want to get glimmering mutation on, and then you can place this Fairy targeter nearby the plants you want to mutate. And for example, I'm going to place it here on this daffodil and orange tulip area, and then you can click on confirm. Okay, like this, and it has radar guys, and it has 10 uses. And after you place the Fairy targeter, you can find a Fairy. It will say a Fairy appear somewhere on your screen, and then you can try to find the Fairy. Okay, apparently the Fairy is here, and then you can interact with the Fairy. And when you have placed the Fairy targeter on your garden, you will attract the Fairy to come to your garden, and the Fairy will help you to mutate your plants. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use the Fairy targeter in Grow a Garden new Fairy update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.